Welcome back. Anything that moves, here I am, Miss Moneymaker. We're going to talk about it, people. Look at this. Look at this. This is this. These people. Yes. Vistra. All right, people. How much is this company up? Look at this chart. This is what I consider sexy. All right. This is what I consider sexy. So everybody, oh, why are we looking at this one? Let me just show you. All right. I want to show you right here. For the year, same company, Vistra, right? How much are they up? For 1 year, 273%. What about that? What about that? Okay. Look how the graph goes nicely up. 273%. Let's go back. So this is why I'm focusing on this. Let's look at something. What about some stress-free money making? This is why they call me Miss Moneymaker. What about if we do something like this? Just nice stress-free. I like charts like this versus this is Intel right now. This is Roblox. Roblox is trading right down here. Chop, 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 down here now. Compared to this. Okay, do you see how much better you feel when you look at something clean like this? VST, ticker Vistra. Alrighty, so we're here. I said, okay, let's look at this. Let's buy some of this. I want to show you on another chart. All right, this is on, oh my gosh, it's up so high, it's going past my, there we go. Okay, here we are, all-time highs. All right, this is day trading chart. $92.97. So now it's kind of high. I'm not recommend buy right now because when we go really, really high, we're probably going to pull back. Hold on, let me use this. We're probably going to pull back to a level. You see here before we had some, we topped out around here, this area, okay? And then later, I'm going to draw a trend line for you. Here we go. Here we go. See? Okay, so now this area, look over here at the side. Okay, you see how it says $75.53. Okay, so let's just, let's wait for some pullbacks. Maybe to this level here or maybe down here and buy it. Let it pull back. But we see over here when, when it hit around there, $74, $75, this was resistance before and then it came back and hit it support. See? It touched back down. Hold on. See? Came up. And then it touched back down, green, red, little green, boop, support. And then it went back up. So I like buying on support. Right now we're up here. We're just like in clear mid-air. It's just like, oh, I could fall from the sky any minute or whatever. But we know from the past, look, it just nicely keeps going up. Nice and stress-free. So now, there was a time here, it kind of looked like it was going sideways, but not really, slowly gaining. So you don't have to, don't expect, oh, I'm going to just get rich overnight with this. But this is when you have a couple of shares of this, you could just leave it and let it slowly grind up and make you some money as you sleep. Because from $23, come on, ladies and gentlemen, are you not entertained? From $23 to here, come on. What? Right? You can sleep at night with this. And I like having shares of companies where I can sleep. I don't even have to worry about it. It's like, okay, set it, forget it, come back later, check it, every 4 months, see how you're doing or whatever. I check things more in that because, I'm actively in the markets all the time. But I'm just saying, if you're into that, just check it every so often, then hey, set your alert. So now for me, so let's set some alerts, okay? Because some people, they think of things, but they don't take any actions. Okay. You have to take some action. I'm going to put a question mark there. Why do I put a question mark? Because when I'm going in to buy, I want to see what the overall market is doing at the same time. Okay. If the market is falling like, I don't know what, then no, don't buy exactly that moment. Then I know, okay, let me just wait a little bit. At this level here too. Now, if you look all the way to the right of the screen, the little gray box, see how the price is in that little gray box? Okay, I'm looking all the way over here, people, when I do it again, okay? That little gray box, I'm not going to wait all the way to the support level. So like $77. Yeah, I'm a buyer there. Because what about if it doesn't hit exactly, the low? So here I go. Putting my little alerts in, okay? And then, you know, sometimes watch, it could go, hold on, just give me a second. Right? It could go to this level and dip a little bit below it, like that. Go a little bit low, just to like fake us out and make us nervous. Like, oh my God, it's changing. It's not doing the same thing. Oh my gosh, should I sell? Yeah, no. We will stay calm because we know, look how consistent it's been from 23 to like practically $100. Okay. We see it's been consistent. So I'll go, yeah, okay, dip below. I'll just buy a little bit more. I'll just buy a little bit more. Right. So we see our levels. Hold on. For everybody who, see how we hesitated here a little bit? Okay, I feel like this is just like a little micro level. So that's what I'm saying. Why I put the alert here, right side of the screen, people where triangles are here and here. So these are the levels I'm watching for VST to fall back into, buy a little, fall back in. Oops, sorry, not that low. Well, I probably will do it, but fall back into this level, buy a little bit, okay? And then keep riding into the sunset. All right, so I wanted to show you that. Now let me just, hold on, change the screen. All right, here's the company website. So who are they? Who are they and what do they do? You know what? Some people care, some people don't. I'm here for the money. I wanted to show you this, all right? They have a couple of customers, so that's good, right? Largest competitive power generator in the U.S. That's what they say. You have to do your homework about this. 14 facilities. Okay, a couple employees here. So what is it saying down here bottom screen? Leading Fortune 500. Okay, retail electricity power generation company. Alrighty, from California to Maine. I'm based in the United States. Alrighty, so this is the website here. And then I went over to here. Let's see. Investor page, right? Hey, always want to check out the investor page. Got to be nosy, right? Got to get into this. Okay, electric and power. All right, fine. Saying the same thing. No, right here. Okay, leader in energy transformation. Okay, affordability, sustainability. Those are the buzzwords. You know, everybody needs. Oh, you have to be sustainable and all this. All right, watch here, right? Okay, power generation fleet of natural gas. See that word right there? Nuclear. It's a whole thing going on with nuclear now. I'm going to make videos about that. I have stock in some nuclear companies. Okay, clean, like electric and nuclear working together, right? We'll talk about that. Okay, so this is what's going on. Now, who's the CEO? This guy. All right, this guy. All right, so far, notice he has no head, no top of the head, barely, see? But I guess because they didn't want to show us, like probably up here, his brain is so large, they didn't want to show it. Maybe this is why they're giving him pictures where they cut off. I don't know, just joking around. But my point is, I like this stock chart versus Intel. Will Intel even find, when is it going to find a bottom? When is it finding the bottom, right? If you're into Intel, right? You needed to find the bottom and then base out a little bit, like chop a little sideways. Like, what do I mean? Like this area, see how it chops a little sideways and then goes up. When something's coming down, like how it came down here, and then it kind of chops a little sideways, that means finding the base, then it can go up. You need a little bit of that action to really believe you're going up. You need to be above this line, this blue line. You see here, it bounced here and it caught some support. It bounced here and caught some support. Like a couple of times. 1, 2, 3, 4, right? Okay, here it broke through it like I don't give a heck. All right? And down here, if you fall again, you're not in Kansas anymore, people. Okay? So let it find its footing, get above this line. Okay? So you would have to effectively come above this price, touch it. You need to retest it to make sure you're really holding on and then go up. And so it's still too messy. Then you still have to get above this line. See all this fighting. Fight. If you want to go up. If you're shorting this, you're not even here for this video. Because you already know you're living your best life, okay? Because a lot of people are shorting this. Why? Because look at this performance. And why? I'm just talking Intel fans. Why are you here when you could do this? Like move over into, remember the levels that I showed in the other chart? This chart, right? Okay? So I'm just showing another chart. This chart looks cleaner for some people and they like the look. But look, isn't it sexy and beautiful? Okay, so now Roblox fans. Okay, look, Roblox choppity, choppity, chop. Like how, hold on, let me get my marker. Okay, this is the daily. What is the profit for the year? We've just went up and, look at that compared to what I was just showing you, right? So now, if you're a day trader, yeah, you're living your best life too. Buy down here, okay, ride up here, okay. If you're swinging, but in intraday, you could play with this and stuff. But let's just see what you did for the year. Okay, hold on, just give me a second. Here we go. This is what Roblox did for the year. Now, here we go. For the year, 16, down 16%. This is, okay, so, okay, look at this. Compared to this 273%. There's apples and oranges, people. So I just wanted to, make sure you saw all this so there's other things out here. There are other things out here. So I just want to share this quote with you. We often take for granted the very things that most deserve our gratitude. And that's what I'm saying. Hey, this stock, no one's talking about it. No, I'm talking about it though. No one's talking about it. VST. This right here. See? Let me say the quote again. We often take for granted the very things that most deserve our gratitude. VST, Vistra, deserves our gratitude. Up over 200% for the year. That quote is by Cynthia Ozick. I can't pronounce her name right. I'm terrible at pronouncing things. That's why I make my money doing other things like trading stocks, investing. This is Miss Moneymaker. If you like this content, if you like these kind of charts, click like and subscribe. I'll see you back next time or anything that moves. Bye for now.